How to fix ATT modem blinking white light. If your ATT modem is blinking a white light, follow these steps. First of all, check power. Ensure the modem is securely plugged into a working outlet. Try a different outlet if needed. After that, reset the modem. Press and hold the reset button on the back for at least 30 seconds to resolve configuration issues. Then inspect the fiber connection. Verify that the fiber optic cable is undamaged and properly connected to the wall outlet and modem. After that, wait for firmware updates. If the modem is updating, allow it time to complete the process. Finally, contact ATT support. If the issue persists, reach out to ATT for remote troubleshooting or to request a technician. These steps should help resolve the issue or determine if further assistance is needed.